Hello, good morning. Today's the 23rd of July and it's approaching 9 o'clock in the morning. It's 8:49 a.m. and we're going to be going to Mezza 2 because apparently today they have the opening of a new branch.
Oh my god, people are
Romantic
there
Baboy.
already. Hi. They're lining up now.
For the first 100 customers, it's 50% off essentially. And the restaurant opens at 11 a.m. We thought, 2 hours would be a good amount of time.
Yeah, we're in the 16th line.
It's pretty noisy here, but I think we'll be here until 11 a.m.
At least we're 16th in the line, right?
Meaning that we should be the very first ones to get in.
Yes. I brought my book so I can read while waiting.
Okay.
But there's no chair. Do you want to go to the search first? It's not even open yet.
We have seats.
Oh, thank you. Wow, I'm so happy.
So we don't have to be standing the whole time for the next 2 hours. Is this worth it? 2 hours for saving $250 and then 500 pesos altogether?
Yes.
We'll see. Hopefully it doesn't get too hot here. That's the only problem, man.
Hello, Joy Property. Joy Property. Yeah.
This is just a result of 1 hour prior to opening. I don't know if the rest of them are going to be able to go in for 50% off. We've been here for a little bit over 2 hours, I'd say.
Wow, he's so happy for you.
Just to remind everybody, we're at the Romantic Baboy branch located right underneath Mezza 2.
Yes.
I guess you call this the Mezza 2 branch. This is only the soft opening. They decided to open at 11 today, and everyone who makes it within the first 100 customers gets 50% off their meals. So I think in total we'd be paying 500 pesos.
That's true.
Mezza Residences number 2.
We're just leaving beside this building. So we just walk.
Anytime that we want to eat a buffet, we can just come here. Maybe a 3-minute walk from our condo, no? At least today, it's not that hot yet because none of the grills are on. It's pretty air conditioned. We have a TV over there, and it kind of looks nice. I like the location and the atmosphere. I think this is where you're gonna put the egg.
Is this smaller enough? Don't tell me it's not charcoal. It's impossible, right?
No, they might be using something else now. We'll have to see. Compared to the other one, the Romantic Baboy back in Magnolia, They use actual charcoal, pieces that they change now and then, depending on how used it is. We're gonna have to see what they use as a heating source here. As you can see, we have our sweet potatoes. We got our japchae. I don't know, it might be a little cold. What is this? Onion and radish? Maybe? We have this typical cabbage salad here. And kimchi, which neither of us enjoy. And it's unlimited pork and beef for $4.99. We got 8 different kinds of meats that we can select from. And I guess these are little special side orders that you can add on to your meal if you want. So they use plate.
Yes. Is this company or branch or?
Franchise po.
Oh, franchise. Oh, no. Can I check? There. Fire.
Alright, so the grill on so that it doesn't get
Order some spicy and bulgogi po.
No.
one curry and
Curry and bulgogi. Excuse po. Ay, excuse me.
I want to put it down.
Ay, sorry.
Okay. Go ahead.
They said that this is the first branch of Romantic Baboy that is not using charcoal anymore.
It's been just about 15 minutes now since we started cooking with our new grill here. I guess this grill's pretty nice because you get to choose what temperature you want to put it at. Let's take a bite, no?
Tastes different. Tastes different from the one in Magnolia.
Maybe because there's no charcoal burn on it. There is a little bit of a difference in the flavor. It's not that charcoal burn, but you can still burn it if you leave it on for too long. So we were just about to finish cooking our romantic bulgogi here when one of the servers came up to us and served us this lamp of cream cheese, I guess it is. Alright, as you can see, it's a little bit, looks a little bit like mayonnaise, I guess, you know? It's almost like a really soft cream cheese, maybe with some garlic. It's alright actually. I'd still prefer this cheesy, mess here, but this one is alright for those who want more of a subtle taste, I guess. Deal today. I think I just want to sleep now.
Hey, we're back.
Yeah, we're back at our house. We just had a little siesta, I guess, after eating so much food at Romantic Baboy. Once again, this is the branch that's located at Aurora Boulevard and Guriaran Street. Guriaran Street. It should be said that the restaurant itself is pretty small. It's pretty small compared to the other Romantic Baboys that we know. I think in total we counted 12 tables about, each one with their own grill. The grills are also not charcoal, but rather they are gasoline stove.
Yes.
So
they said that they're the very first one to have the stove thing.
the food taste was pretty much very similar, maybe a little bit different because of the lack of charcoal. I'm not sure if that's the the reason why.
The first one that we ordered is what do you call this?
We had the curry.
Yes, curry. The curry tastes different from the one in Magnolia. I don't know why. Maybe because it's more. They marinated it longer. Maybe
Maybe it was in the sauce for longer. We're not sure. This is the first soft opening day, so it could change over time. The atmosphere was pretty nice. They had one TV for the the 12 tables, playing K-pop music and all that.
Oh, they gave us this cream cheese dip, and we didn't like it that much, but I kind of like it because it tasted like Zark's what do you call it?
Ranch sauce.
Yes, Zark's ranch sauce.
Yeah, I think it's like a mixture of ranch and cream cheese. It tasted a little bit sweet. It's a little bit creamy. I didn't really want this sweetness associated to it, so I just decided to stick to the regular
cheese.
melted cheese that they offered. Otherwise, the rest of the food items were similar to those of the other branches. The area can get a little bit smoky at times when people are perhaps not using their
they're
elephant
unaware
trunk.
that their exhaust fan is kind of high.
Yeah, I don't think we had any problems while there. I mean, the fire kind of went out of control.
Oh yeah, I remembered my hand. This one, it went into a fire.
What happened was she was trying to flip one of the large pieces of pork.
Yeah.
I think it was the urban pork or
Yes,
something
that's
like
the
that.
herb pork.
When flipping, I think what must have happened is the oils from the pork dripped into the fire, which made the fire just come up really fast. And
It's big.
it went all over her left hand and a bit of her front forearm, I guess. I don't think it caused any,
Oh, good
bad
thing that my
damage. or
hair,
anything like that, right?
fingers.
Maybe just your hair.
Yeah, it's still here. It's fine.
Yeah. Well, that pretty much concludes the review, I think.
Yeah.
Nothing else comes to mind. Yeah, anyways, pretty good. I'd say generally a thumbs up. If a word for the wise, don't overeat like I did, and you should be okay. Well, that's it. Bye bye for now.
you.
Take care and enjoy the
Subscribe.
branch if you do like Samgyeopsal. And yeah, if you want, subscribe. You can do that too. It's free. Anyways, goodbye.
Thank you.